Ang ganda talaga ng mundo. Pero sadyang napaka-unfair naman. Kung sino pa itong mapubuting tao ay siya pang hindi nabibigyan ng magandang buhay. Huwag kayong mag-alala, Nay, Tay. Pagbubutihan kong pag-aaral ko para makaahon tayo sa hirap na ito.
Okay, good morning, class. Morning, ma'am. Okay, before we start our new discussion, let me introduce to you your new classmate. Please come in and introduce yourself.
Oh my god! New transfer. What's this Sarita doing here? Oh my god, she doesn't belong here.
Okay, she's from the province and is able to study here through our scholarship program. Clara, we want to proceed.
What? No, it's not available. My friends is going to see her. Just go sit in the back.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Nakita kong isang babae, di ko malimutan ang kanya imahe. Ano ba ang iyong pangalan noong nakita kita? There's no words to say it. are the best part
Yes, tabi tayo yung magka-group, diba? Diyan ako tatabi. Okay.
Hi, Glenn. What? I'm so excited. I don't care. I have a very good idea for our project. You know what? You're so annoying, okay? I can do this project alone, so leave me alone. Stop it!
Hey, you go to the principal's office now. You too.
Oh my God, hurry up! Oh, wait!
Okay, good morning to both of you. Now, can somebody explain to me what really happened?
Oh, Principal, it's her fault. She's so annoying. Oh my God, Mom, Principal, she told me I'm pretty, but she's not.
Is that true, Clara?
I was just excited sharing my ideas to her, but she took it negatively and never said anything about her support.
You liar! You always put it here, but you didn't. It's just
Enough! I heard everything. I know the whole story. So now I will give you the freedom to do the right thing.
Okay, fine, I admit it. It's my fault, but I just don't like her acting like bida-bida, you know?
Okay. According to Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 in the Philippines, it requires schools to adopt policies addressing bullying, including disciplinary actions, reporting procedures, and support for victims, with the Department of Education responsible for training and enforcement. Based on your own term, if you said you're not brainless, you know what the law means.
I'm so sorry, Ma'am Principal and Teacher Maria, and to you too, Clara. I'm so sorry, and I promise that I will correct my behavior.
Okay, apology accepted.
Good morning. I'm sorry, we're not hiring anymore. You can leave now. You have a degree, and you did not meet my expectation. I'll call you back.
I'm so sorry, Mom. Here's your teacher. And I'll
talaga, kailangan lang natin magkaroon ng kumpiyansa at tiwala sa sarili natin bago tayo paniwalaan at pagkatiwalaan ng iba.
With that, narinig ko ngayon daw mag-aaral si boss ng pinag-promote. I bet isa ka doon kasi napaka-workaholic mo. Tapos, perfectionist ka pa.
Yeah, for sure. Napakagaling mo kaya sa work mo.
Hindi napaka-exchange mo. Huwag na nga tayong mag-expect para hindi tayo masaktan eh. Basta ang importante sa akin ngayon, may trabaho ako, okay na yun para sa akin.
Na naman, pero paano naman yung bago natin employee?
Ewan ko kung mag-promote yun, ipagkuhan ka lang. Tapos, wala kang trabang ginagawa, walang paganda.
Naku, kabilan na naman yung pag-overthink dyan. Back to work lang please.
CR na ako, guys.
Hey there, Trisha! Di ba workmate kayo ni Dan?
Yes.
Just tell him na pinatawag ko siya sa office, ha?
Okay, boss.
Okay, thank you.
Hoy, Dan! Tawag ka daw ni boss.
What?
Go, Dan! Baka promotion na yan.
Okay, sige. So, nagdaan mo na si boss ngayon na. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, there you are. Basic. So, Dan, I have called you regarding sa ating promotion.
What?
But, sad to say, I'm sorry, you're not hired. I must promote Jane otherwise you. Because Jane is the owner or the boss of the other stakeholders. That's why I recommend her and not you.
But boss, hindi naman yata patas yun eh. Pinagpaguran ko yung trabaho ko para lang ako ma-promote. Tapos yun yung promote mo? Baka unfair yun naman. Alam mo naman pamilya ako buhay eh. Bakit ano yun?
At then, I can stop this issue. If and only if papayag ka sa gusto ko, even just for one night.
That would be a wonderful offer, boss. But you are offering it to the wrong person. Mahal ko ang trabaho ko, pero alam kong mas mahal ko ang pamilya ko.
Mahal? Magkakain ba yan pagmamahal if I get fired you in this position?
You know how fully aware I am with RA 7877. We'll see kung sino sa ating dalawa ang mawawala ng trabaho.
Then, do it! Mahal? Magkakain ba yan pagmamahal if I get fired you in this position? Get fired you in this position?
Ang lahat ng bagay ay may katapusan. Sabi nga nila, ganito talaga ang buhay. At hindi natin kayang pigilan ang takbo ng oras. At ang mga laala ay mananatili sa ating mga puso. Kahit na ang pagbabago ay nagbubukas sa mga panibagong pagkakataon. Mayroon pa ring mananatili sa atin ang kalayaan ng puso. Ang lahat ng bagay ay may katapusan. Sabi nila, ang buhay ay hindi pwedeng walang pagbabago. Kaya nga para sa akin, sa pagbabago natin mararamdaman ang tunay na kalayaan.